What are you doing? What are you doing? Do you have a YouTube channel? What's it called? Oh yeah, you were telling me, weren't you? If I turn my phone on quick, then I subscribe.
I don't know. We can still talk. I don't know if it actually captures the sound or something.
Probably not.
Mm.
Because you need a sound. You either need a mic or something like that.
Ooh, it's a free spin. My shoes are so broke.
That's like mine.
Ooh, how many gems? How many gems? 3. Okay.
At least you got your money back.
Mm. Ooh, more coins, more coins. Gems? Gems.
Do you have the jetpack?
Oh, I got 5 gems. Yeah, I do.
There's in there. That's Richard's and someone else.
Oh, another free spin, bro. I got another free spin. Ooh, more gems. And that is from a free spin. Oh, I got 50 gems again. Boys, that is proof. Oh, I have 90 flipping gems. This is going to be a big box opening. 5 coins. I thought I just got like a bunch of coins, but I didn't. Boys, there's proof. Wait, even more gems, even more gems. Just 3. Wait, that 50 gems. I can get really lucky in the lucky chest. Look, I nearly got that, but I just got a free spin, so.
Yeah, but that's like me.
I'm like really lucky.
I got about 100 skins out of this.
The big head potion. I hate that.
What?
It's from Sandbox. Yeah. It like makes your head really big. Yeah, it's really funny. I hate it. Like, ooh, 2 free spins. 2 free spins, bro. 2 free spins. And I'm still on 81 gems, bro. This is really lucky. Yes, the sniper boots. Another free spin. Guessing you sprained your wrist.
Again.
Ooh, the Molotov. The Molotov cocktail, bro. I don't grind in this that much though. The Molotov cocktail. Whoa, I got the hat. Great samurai helmet.
I'm going in the alleyway.
Ooh, let's see what I can get. Ooh, more coins. How many coins? 10 coins! 54 coins so far.
I got 50 coins actually.
Okay, good.
Mom.
Another 5 gems. That's really good. This is going to be a big opening. Just 3 coins. Okay, I nearly got a golden thing. Another 5 gems. I'm getting so lucky with this. Look, I was just on 71, now I'm on 73. How many coins? Flipping 50 coins! That's what I got. I'm lucky as!
Sit down. Sit down.
Oh, how many gems? How many gems? Another 5 gems. I'm so lucky. I am so lucky.
But that's like me.
No doubt. Oh, how many coins? How many coins? 10 coins. 5 coins. 5 coins. Okay. So I'm super excited about this. Oh, what boots? What boots? Yes, Ninja Tabby. That allows me to just double jump, but my other boots allow me to like double jump and accelerate melee, accelerate walk speed when with
71.
melee. 50 gems. 5 gems. Sorry. It's kind of cold in here, but I love it. Oh come on, the teddies! I hate them because I never go on sandbox, so this is just a waste of
Yes,
gems.
you do. I was with you.
Yeah, but I don't go on like sandbox that much. Ooh, yes! I was thinking of like buying that using gems, but I actually got it in the roll. Yes, bro. How many coins?
62.
50 coins! I am so lucky!
Before it shows up, you can see a top.
I know, I'm so lucky. Ooh, the drum. Drum is alright. Drum is alright.
Never had the drum.
Amplifies gun damage for you and all nearby teammates. That's cool. I'm on 56 gems and I've just done a lot. Oh, how many gems? How many gems? Oh, just 3. But I got more money back on that. Why am I so cold? Probably because it's the other way. Oh my god. Oh, how many coins? How many coins? How many coins? 10 coins. I'm so lucky. This is the highest amount of coins that I've ever gotten so far.
We're out of the chest. Opening.
No, just in total. I'm gonna go out because
Really, you never had higher? I've had about 300. Yeah, I'm in the steel league now.
I am. Ooh, 3 free spins. 3 free spins, bro. 3 free
I like
spins.
that.
I know, but I got 2 like just a while ago. How many coins? How many coins? How many coins?
5. It's for you.
Okay, I'm getting lucky though. I'm getting lucky. Ooh,
That's what I have.
no.
That shot.
I have the sniper mask.
Yeah, I just.
That is all.
Did
an
you see
alright
that
mask.
shot?
Yeah, I know.
That's what I have.
I know.
It's epic.
Oh, what cape? Oh, the engineer cape.
Charlie,
By the end of this, I'm
That
probably gonna have
gun-
all capes.
That gun. If there's multiple things in a group, it hits all of them.
I nearly got a like golden one. Another free spin.
Yeah.
I am
got a
so
golden one.
lucky. Look, rich man.
Yeah,
I
I've
just got
got
the
that.
achievement. Oh, how many gems?
3.
5. I'm so lucky.
I'm mathing wrong.
I know. Oh, nearly. Another free spin, bro.
This is ridiculous.
I know, right? Oh, more gems.
5. 3.
More gems. Oh yeah, this is a lucky day because I actually managed to level up today in Pokemon Go, capture 2 pillow swines and all that, and I'm getting this. Look, 10 coins. I'm on 185 coins. Oh my god, this is so lucky. Oh, I thought I was gonna get the skin there, but I
10.
didn't. Oh, I'm lucky as. Like
Jinx, you're gonna get
I've
something
started off
shit
with
now.
50, and then I'm gonna get
I'm
like
jinxing, you're getting something good.
3 coins.
Okay, I'm gonna jinx, you get something good.
Well, I'm gonna probably get something bad because this has been so lucky. Ooh, nah, look, told you. I don't, the Cupid's wings.
I jinx, you get something good. Every time you jinx something, it's actually bad. Not too bad.
5 coins. See, I'm really good though.
I'm just gonna stand up and walk.
Mm.
Never mind.
3 spins.
3 free spins.
Yep.
It's a
Oh man, this luck. It's ridiculous.
3.
That, I actually got my money back. Yep. This is recording. Or at least it should be, because it will tell me when... 5 coins. It should tell me when it's like, when I can't record anymore. But, this is sick as.
I'd laugh if it wasn't, and you just did that all off.
Yeah, look, I'm still recording, look. Look, I'm still recording.
Wait, will that come up?
All the camo. The sniper cape. By the end of this, I'm probably going to have all the capes, honestly. How many coins? 5 coins. 203. A lot of coins. Oh. Oi, how many gems? Okay, 5 gems.
You realise you could probably buy something better with the gems.
Nah, I don't
If you
want
look
it.
through
I don't
the
want it.
shop.
I don't want it. 5 coins. I know, I'm not done, but I just don't want it right now. So if I get another 50 coins, then I'm probably gonna. Well, no, 50 gems. No, 3. Because I don't really care about skins because my skin looks
I was
really
on about
sick.
the skins. Can't you buy a gun with gems?
You can,
No.
but I don't really want to. 2 coins. Lucky ass right now.
I don't really care about these chests.
I don't really care about skins either, like the samurai skin, don't really care. So I could probably get the whole samurai outfit, like, including the skin and everything. Oh, boys, I got the fireworks. Boys, I got the fireworks.
Cool, I've
Fireworks
got that.
shoots in the enemy into the sky and
I've got
explodes.
that.
I
I've
know.
never used it though.
I don't know how good it
Well,
is.
no, I've used it in battle, but it's never hit.
Okay.
Why
Okay, we're doing a no look, okay. No look.
No, you have to.
Oh, I got 10 gems. That's lucky.
Must be love, love, love.
How many coins? How many coins? 5. Imagine if this was recording sound that just randomly appeared. 5. Oi, 2 free spins, 2 free spins. This is gonna
I'm
take
just waiting
forever.
for you to get 50 gems again.
I know.
Wait,
How many
can you get
coins? How many
100
coins?
gems?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, I don't know actually. I don't know if you can get 100 gems.
I laugh if you get down to your last roll. Then you get gems and you get 100.
Or the Iron Robot, which is basically Iron Man. But they can't really be copyrighted, can they? So,
What?
like, they called it Iron Robot instead of Iron Man. Or another free spin. So much luck.
No, technically that should count as copyright.
All my gems. Oh, only 3. Oh, I got my money back. No look, shut eyes. 3.
Ah, you got coins.
I like coins though.
Oh,
'cause-
you actually did?
Yeah, I know, I got 3.
No, I just guessed that.
Oi, boys, what boots? The demolition boots, again. I think I already have those though. Oh god. How many gems? 5.
Oh, so you're going to have to look at the pets. Because I want to see what pets you have.
I have like a legendary pet.
Do you? Actually?
Yeah. I got, you know the Robodot, I got that one.
Is that a legendary?
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, I think, yeah.
I thought it was just a rare.
No, it's a legendary because I've also got the monkey which does Mayday. But
The
oh
monkey's
God.
rare because I have that.
Fudge discos, man! I hate them. Disco balls.
Disco balls.
Hashtag dogs.
I like big balls and cannot lie. The heavy and the cannot die.
Well, I started off with like 30 something coins, and look, I've like gotten 200 coins from this. Oh, a nice hat. Nice hat there.
Mm.
I have the headphones.
I'm surprised you haven't got the shark weapon.
I know, with all
The
these
first
skins.
ever chest.
Boys. Golden friend, you can equip. I got the golden skin. I got a golden skin. They're like rare or something. I'm gonna end up with like
I've got the golden skin.
more gems. Another 5 gems. Oh my god. This
I've
is
got
gonna
that
take
before.
forever.
No.
Oh, how many coins? 2. No, 5. I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm not good at math right now. Because it's after school and everything. Ooh, the hat. Because some hats, because hats give you like bonuses or whatever.
Oh yeah.
And that stuff. Ooh, more free spins. Man.
I haven't done my spin yet, so I might get something good.
Wait, 10 gems. 10 gems left. Wait, if I end up with like an odd amount of gems, then I'm so watching like a few videos or something. Because I don't want to end it like with few gems to spare. Because I don't like skins because I've already got a nice skin that I can work with. So also my cape looks sick.
I'd laugh if this spin you get 50 gems.
I know.
Jinx it. You realise that doesn't do anything.
Oh, it's luck. Oh, fuck Cupid's wings. Well, I'm gonna watch. Oh, I can't. Yeah, look. This is. Look at what weapon. Oh, I got another egg. Oh, I got the bat. Get that. Look, I got the legendary. Look, grade legendary. Okay, let me sort out my thing.
What else do you have?
Look, I'm gonna equip my headphones because they look sick. My mask is gonna be. Look how many masks I have now.
I have the psycho mask.
Headshot. I'm just gonna equip this one because I like this one and I've stuck with it for a while. Oh, you look at my golden gun though.
Oh my god.
That looks sick as. I don't want that. I want to have that equipped. There we go. My armor, I need. Yeah, look, my skin is that one, which looks alright. Yeah, look, I have a Pokemon cake.
Oh, did you make that? I've
Yeah.
got.
Wait,
No, go back. Go back.
No, right now.
Go on the cape.
Wait, I basically have every single one except from it. I have all of them except from the engineer.
Go on the
boots.
capes. I got a cape that you don't have.
What?
I have. Oh wait, you do have it.
I have all of the capes.
I was talking about that one.
I have all of them, bro. Let me go to weapon.
Honestly, you should probably stop.
Oh yeah, I have the
recording.
golden. That's a mythical. Wait, is it better than this? Yeah, better. Worse fire rate, but it's still pretty good.
I like the myth.
Oh yeah, I'm keeping the golden friend because that's sick as. Oh yeah, I could buy like a. Ooh, I could buy the legendary fire demon. Yeah. Oh yeah, I want to buy a better sniper because I dislike my sniper. I don't want to buy.
If you save, then you could get the pink one.
This one.
Yeah.
I can already get it.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. Look at my coins.
Yeah, 225.
I have 244. So I could buy it if I wanted.
Oh yeah. Sorry, I'm being stupid.
Yeah, look, I have all three throwings. I have 2 of these tools and I have 2 supports. I'm gonna keep this one because I want to keep the.
Honestly,
equip the
I stopped
Molotov.
recording now because they're all like the hats coming out. All I know is they're going to chest opening. No, it's just going weird.